Dear delegates, welcome on board for the orientation program. We apologize on behalf of World Academy for this unwanted changes of the speaker today. Actually, the trainer is sick on a sudden basis, so that as
Hello
we
everyone.
do not want to shift the program, that's why I'm trying to present this introductory part. Actually, as it is an introduction
Hello.
only. So, as I was discussing that, due to unwanted changes, as we wanted to do this program on schedule, so that I'm here to present this introductory part. And today we will be talking about the course introduction. How the course will be administered, what are the learning points from this course, how this course will be beneficial for the delegates or the professionals, and regarding about World Academy as well. So this is the introductory part we will be talking about, and it will be taking around 30 to 35 minutes or 40 minutes time. And of course, at the end of the class, if you have any question, any doubt, we will try to clarify that as well. So without any further delay, let me share my screen. So I'll be presenting a presentation, and after this presentation, you can ask your question if you do have any. So allow me to share my screen. I'm sure you can see my screen, of course. So once again, welcome on board to the World Academy. World Academy is one of the largest professional certification institute in the world, having its presence in 67 countries. Our motto is shaping expertise, nurturing ambitions, and elevate your potential. So World Academy is always beside the professionals for their professional development. We are ISO certified organizations. We do have a couple of ISO certification, and our global landscape presence in 65 plus. That means presently we are in the 67 countries, 200 plus programs from academic to certified. So we do have both type of program. Trained over 30,000 professionals across 65 plus countries. So our alumni size is 30,000 plus. So and the number is counting on everyday basis. We do have 132 instructors panel from 14 countries, and our 30% of our alumni hold C-suite roles in major organizations. So we do have senior professionals, those who are connected with us as our alumni, and 95% course completion rate on the first attempt. Why World Academy is the right choice? One of the largest professional certification institute based in United Kingdom. As I told earlier, that it is still one of the largest, and our mission 2030 is to become the number one professional certification institute in the world. So we are hopeful that within 2030, once we achieve this mission, we can tell this is the largest professional certification institute. And globally accepted credentials, our credentials are accepted globally, affordable fees, flexible payment plan, wide range of programs covering all the professional areas, 150 plus certified programs, 30 plus master level programs, 40 plus diploma level programs, and user friendly learning management system for easy learning. And we do have credential badges are issued by Credly. Credly is one of the concern of Pearson Education Group. So we are also sharing our delegates, sharing the digital badges with our delegates. Our global affiliation, accredited institute by NQL. NQL is a off-qual regulated awarding body in United Kingdom. IOSH UK approved center. So IOSH is the top two. NIBOSH and IOSH, these are the two giant certification awarding body based in United Kingdom for health and safety, and we are IOSH approved center. Approved center by Cambridge Academy of Professionals, that is also a professional certification awarding body in United Kingdom. Approved center by ProfQual UK, that is a certification awarding body for higher education. Approved center by Board of HR Certification, this is an HR certification institute in United Kingdom. Approved provider of HRCI, SHRM, and ATD. These three are also HR certification awarding body based in United States. SHRM academically aligned institute. SHRM is the number one HR certification awarding body, So we got the recognition from SHRM as academically aligned institute along with some other universities. We do have partner organizations, and we are also accredited by Institute of, NPA, by National Project Management Academy, United Kingdom. That is our mission 2030. I told you earlier that to become the number one professional certification institute based in United Kingdom, having presence in 100 countries. We completed our graduation ceremony in 3 countries in 2025 August, very recent time. One in Kenya, we did completed our graduation ceremony for the delegates from Kenya and adjacent countries. They attended this program in August 2025. We also hold a conference in Kenya as well, where 50 plus professors attended this program, and also we organized the graduation ceremony in Uganda, for Uganda and South Sudan or other adjacent countries people, and they attended this program as well. Around 60 plus graduates attended this program. Also, we had our People Management Conference, People Summit, International People Summit, which is HR related certification conference, mini conference we organized in Hotel Africana, and also we completed our graduation ceremony in Tanzania. Around 53 people of Tanzania and some other countries attended this graduation ceremony, and also we have conducted a conference in Tanzania as well. So these are our recent time global programs, global certification programs, and then the conferences and also graduation ceremony in August 2025. Now coming to our point, why we are here today for this program, Certified Corporate Finance Analyst, validated and quality assured by Cambridge Academy of Professional UK, which is an UK-based certification awarding body for professionals. This is the digital badge you will be receiving after successful completion, and the badge will be issued by Cridley. Cridley is one of the largest professional badge issuer organization. There is a sample certificate and transcript. So this is CCFA as a professional designation. You can write beside your name. And this is the transcript also, where your module name and the competencies have been mentioned so that anyone can see and identify how credible the course is, the credential is. The success story, certified corporate finance analyst, having 6 batches earlier. So this is the 7th batch, lucky 7. So 7th batch will be starting soon, and 223 professionals already have completed CCFA, as we do have online self-paced version as well, so that the number is counting on everyday basis. Participants from 24 countries. So these 223 people coming from 24 countries. Our alumni of CCFA working in different fields, different organization. You see here the banking and organization, the United Nations companies, the NGOs, World Vision. Then this is the group of companies. Then government organizations as well, the banking organizations as well. So in different organizations in different countries, they are working, our alumni. What are the features for CCFA? 4 months duration. The total duration is 4 months. That means 16 weeks involvement. Live online class. So there will be 8 sessions. Online live class. Class will be only on Sunday. Class is only on Sunday, and the class time is 2 to 4 p.m. GMT or Universal Time. Free books and materials. All the materials in the books are free at cost. You don't need to buy anything. Live interaction through learning management system. Why you need to choose us? Because it's job oriented learning. It is very much professional course, professional credential. So the learning is focusing on the job. Focus on competency framework. You will find a competency framework for this program, and then of course you will be learning on those competencies for your development. Extensive practices during the course. So there are different types of activities, casework. So you will be experiencing all through this program, so that you will have a practical oriented learning. Simulation exercises will be done, equipped with tools and formats. Couple of things will be shared in the class or out of the class as well. the global resources. People from different countries will take the classes. There is the learning portfolio for CCFA. 9 practical focused modules total, 27 competencies. That means each module having 3 competencies. So total 27 competencies, 27 learning objectives. Each module have 3 learning objectives. So there will be 27. Mark, sir,
Kang'at kami class ang'wan nyapiro sangam sika mo kang'alale na in details.
please mute yourself. Sorry. So the total 27 learning objectives. That means each module has 3 learning objectives, 90 guided questions. Guided question means there will be a different type of practical focused questions, and you will also receive standard answer for those questions. That means once you complete the course, the credential, you will receive a workbook where you will find all these 90 guided questions and their answers. It can help you. It could be a very much reference material for you, which can help you for your job to be completed with a very standard way. And then 9 case studies you need to complete, 8 group activities, and in every class there will be group work, so you need to complete this group activity. So this is the learning portfolio. You can understand that how depth and how versatile methodologies we are using for ensuring the highest learning from this type of programs. The class management process, total 9 modules, 8 sessions. So in one session, there will be 2 modules. Session per week, one session per week. That means every Sunday will be class. If any class is being shifted, it never be happened on other day of the week. It will only be on Sunday. A combination of learning and practical aspects. All the classes will be combining the learning or theoretical learning and then the practical aspects as well. Total instructor led time, ILT, is 16 hours. 8 classes, 2 hours each. Review and question answer session will be there. Class recording we can provide. We will share the class recording through our learning management system. Class material will also be shared within 1 to 2 days time. Class notification you will receive through the WhatsApp group, and sometimes if due to the trainer's emergency, class can be shifted, and of course if it is, then it will be on any other Sunday. Sometimes due to the trainer's issues, we may not able to conduct the sessions on a sequence basis. However, if there is any dependent session, of course that session will be run after the sessions for which it is dependent. All materials will share through the learning management system, and very important part is attendance will be monitored, so that during the class you are requested to rename yourself, not using the device name. The assessment part, how do we do? There are 3 ways to assessment. Final exam, only one final exam, that will be multiple choice question based. So one question having 4 and alternate options, only one option is correct options. For there will be 50 questions like this, total 60 minutes time, and 2 marks per question, so total 100 marks. Passing mark is 70%, and if in any case you cannot pass the exam or cannot attend in the first attempt, you can attend in the second attempt, the makeup exam, without having any further fees. But for third onwards attempt, you must pay a fees, which is $15. Then assignment, there are 3 types of assignment. One is pre-course. So pre-course is not connected with the learning, with the assessment. It is only for the learning purpose. And this pre-course will be available by tomorrow or day after. And then before the first session, you need to submit this pre-course. Then in-course assignment, during this program, you need to submit 3 assignment, which is called in-course assignment. Per assignment contain 100 marks, and 70% is the passing marks. And for the capstone project, total marks is 300, passing marks again is 70%. So these are about the assignment based assessment. And the assessment framework, there will be pre-course, I told you earlier, in-course assignment, 3 into 100 equal to 300. Capstone project is 300 marks, and final exam is 100 marks. And you need to qualify in each component separately. The certification part, electronic certificate will be issued within 5 to 7 working days, and printed certificate will be followed at least 4 times in a year. Now the program, this CCFA program, Certified Corporate Finance Analyst program. So this program, there are different objectives for this. Introduce the foundational principle of corporate finance, right? So it will be a basic ideas about the corporate finance, enhance the understanding of financial statements and their implications. So how the financial statements being prepared, how it can be monitored, how it can be strengthened and healthy. So that will be discussed there. You will be learning this. Develop the ability to analyze the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. So analyzing three instruments: income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. Explore various sources and forms of corporate financing. From different sources, we are getting the corporate finance options. So from where it is being it is being financed, that will be discussed. Provide insights into the cost of capital and its impact on the capital structure. So that will be discussed there as well. Equip participants with skills for capital budgeting and investment appraisal. So how can a person evaluate the investment appraisal? That can be discussed is here as well. Explore the financial and strategic aspects of merger and acquisition. For any kinds of merger and acquisition, there are a couple of nitty-gritties, couple of strategies we need to follow. So that will be discussed in that more particular module. Strengthen the ability to evaluate corporate performance through financial analysis. So financial analysis, how it can be helpful for strengthening the corporate performance, that will be discussed as well. Foster understanding of risk assessment in corporate finance decisions, and prepare participants for advanced roles in corporate finance and investment analysis. Okay, so these are the course objectives for this program, and these are the learning outcomes. Explain the core concept of corporate finance, and analyze and interpret the financial statement. So analyzing and interpretation of the financial statement. Evaluate the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. Identify and assess the various sources of financing and their suitability. Calculate and analyze the cost of capital. How can we calculate the cost of capital and its influence on capital structuring? Perform capital budgeting analysis using tools such as NPV, IRR, or any other methods. Understand the financial mechanics of merger and acquisition. Develop skills in strategic decision making based on the financial data. Assess the impact of corporate finance strategies on business growth and sustainability, and communicate financial findings and recommendations effectively to stakeholders. So these are the combined learning outcomes. Now we'll be discussing about module wise little bit of detail. There are 9 modules I told earlier: introduction to corporate finance, understanding the financial statements, analyzing the income statement, analyze the balance sheet, analyze the cash flow statement, source and forms of financing, cost of capital and capital structure, capital budgeting and investment decisions, merger and acquisition. So these are the 9 very important modules to be discussed. So in the first module, introduction to corporate finance, what are the objectives here? Understand the core objective and functional functions of corporate finance. Then learn the role of financial managers in corporate decision making and identify the key principle. Say risk return trade-off, time value of money, shareholder wealth maximization. So key areas will be discussed here. The learning outcomes: explain the primary goal of corporate finance, Describe the responsibilities of a corporate financial finance analyst. Apply basic financial principles in corporate decision making scenario. So this is under the module 1. Then module 2, understanding financial statements. It is a common one. There are three instruments under the financial statements. So how can you understand this? Income statement, balance sheet, and the cash flow. So to identify the component and structure of the financial statements, to understand how financial statements reflect the financial health of an organization, to interpret the relationship between income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow, these are the objectives you will be achieving after this module, understanding the financial statements. The competencies: financial literacy, the analytical interpretation, and decision support. These are the three competencies you will be learning from this program. Okay, financial literacy, analytical interpretation, and decision support. And module 3, analyzing the income statement. This module is particularly focusing on the income statement, how you can analyze the income statement. So in the income statement, you first read, there is a program called read the financial statement. That means it is not what is visible, it is what is not visible. So analyzing the income statement means the figures, what you are seeing, how these figures, how these figures, affect in different performance areas. So that is the analytical point for this income statement. To break down the income statement into individual component for analysis, to apply horizontal and vertical analysis, to interpret profitability and efficiency ratios derived from income statement data. So these are the learning objectives from this module. And what are the competencies? Income statement analysis, financial ratio proficiency, and trend evaluation. These three competencies you will be gaining. Then in module 4, analyzing the balance sheet. So once you complete this income statement part, now coming to the balance sheet part. Understand the component and format of the balance sheet. Learn how to assess financial position. So after evaluating the balance sheet, how do you interpret it? Whether your financial strength is perfect or not, how solvent this organization is financially. So this type of techniques will be discussed there. And you'll be getting some outcomes from there. Analyze the financial positions, calculate and interpret the key ratios, and evaluate the risk profile. Then module 5, cash flow statement. So in this module, we will be fully focusing on the cash flow, cash inflow and cash outflow. It doesn't mean that you will be learning how to prepare it. It is how to analyze it, how to analyze the cash flow statement, what cash flow statement interprets, what it indicates. If this ratio, if the cash flow contains this type of figures, what will be the impact in the organization? So that these are the issues will be discussed in this particular module 5. And then in module 6, sources and forms of financing. So that means the various source and instruments of corporate financing. From different sources, the corporate financing can be happened. So that will be discussed here. Objectives are identify the different sources, understand the feature and cost implications. Now, if you have 5 sources, which source having lower cost, which source having high impact, that you need to analyze, you need to understand, and then based on these, you need to take the decisions that which source you will be using. Evaluate the sustainability of financing options based on the business needs. And in the module 7, cost of capital and capital structure. Understand the concept of weighted average cost of capital. Weighted average cost of capital. Learn to calculate the cost of equity and cost of debt. So in the cost of capital and capital structure module, you will be fully learning how this can be analyzed, how this can be evaluated, how we can take decisions based on this cost of capital and capital structuring, etc. Explore the impact of capital structure on the firm value and risk. So these are the very important areas of cost and capital structuring will be discussed in module 7. In module 8, capital budgeting and investment appraisal. So you'll be learning, understand the significance of investment appraisal in corporate finance, learn key methods, NPV, IRR, payback period. So these are different key methods you need to understand as well. Identify the limitations and risk associated with investment decisions. So these are module 8, capital budgeting and investment appraisal. So you will be learning these items in the module 8. And module 9 is merger and acquisition part, though it is not, frequently required by the corporate accountant. However, sometimes if you are getting this opportunity for any kinds of merger and acquisition issues, then this learning can be used, so that it has been included here. Understand the strategic motives and behind the merger and acquisition. Learn how companies are valued in merger and acquisition scenario, and identify the key steps. Actually, for the merger and acquisition, the major important part is valuation. So how you can do this valuation, and also some terms and conditions of this merger and acquisition part as well. So these will be discussed in the module 9. So these are the 9 modules which has this type of elaborative content and outlines what I have discussed so far, so that I am sure that you understand how depth the course is. Now, if you have any question, I will be happy to answer the questions. If you have questions, you can unmute yourself and then talk, or can raise hand. We will permit you for talking. Yes, you can. You can talk now.
Hello. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for the elaborate presentation. Uh, I think my appetite is already wet for this particular program because I can see a lot of models in there that can enhance our corporate functions. My question is, accreditation status of programs like this. Is it accredited, and can it be used after getting the certificate in wherever one is from? And the second one is more or less an appeal. An appeal that if maybe a group platform could be created, it can also enhance interaction by way of assignments and class socialization amongst others. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So for your first question, yes, it is an accredited program by Cambridge Academy of Professional from United Kingdom. So and it is the 7th batch, so that you can understand that from 6 batches there are 200 plus graduates from this program from 24 countries. And regarding the second question, yes, there is a platform in your learning management system. There is option for group discussion. If you mention any issues there, everybody in this group will get the notification. Apart from this, there is also a WhatsApp group for this cohort, so that everybody will be included in this WhatsApp group. If you face any kinds of challenges, you can also throw a discussion points in the WhatsApp group as well. Any other question from anyone?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah, how are you? My question would be, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay. Yeah. So after the 4th month of the course, every participant would be certificated, or it depends on who passes the examination.
Who pass the examination, they will receive the certificates.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Any other question? No. All right. So, in a nutshell, if I just yes, Charles, please, you can unmute and talk.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for the presentation. Just wanted to find out after this introductory if this program is to start. When is it likely to start?
Nazmul, the class will be starting from when?
Sir,
Just
actually, next week we'll talk about the pre-course assignment, and the next week
okay.
is year ending. Yeah, yeah.
I got it. So actually, I mean, usually our program starts 2 weeks after the orientation, but after 2 weeks, it will be on 28th of December, and it is a very year-ending closing part. So everybody will be busy for the vacation, so that we are not going to have any kinds of classes on 28th. That's why we had an interactive class on 21st. There will be a short session. We will discuss about the pre-course assignment and some other parts as well, introductory part. But the first formal class will be held on 4 January. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Any other question?
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes. My question is if ever I miss a class, I understand the session will be recorded.
Yes. We will share the recordings through the learning management system. You will get it.
And what about the final exam? How it will be the
It will
final
be
exam?
it will be on online in the portal. You will find the final exam. So just click on the start exam, and then you will get the questions. This is a MCQ based. So select the right answer, and after selecting all these answers, you can submit it. Very easy.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, Charles, please.
Okay, just one more question. I just wanted to find out or get clarity on the type of qualification one should possess before doing this program. Is there a minimum
It is
qualification?
2 years experience needed in the finance and accounting areas, and also any kinds of finance and accounting qualification, even if it is a diploma, that also acceptable. But the bachelor or masters is preferable. However, diploma is also okay, but you need experience is mandatory for this type of credential. And any kinds of financial finance or accounting related program you must have. Even if it is a diploma program, it's still okay.
Okay, that's noted.
Thank you. Yeah, Kiri Maxon, please.
Yes, how are you?
Yeah, fine, thank you very much. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. My question is, now, do you have a group where now people have graduated from this program? We will be able to interact with them.
From which country you are?
I'm from Kenya.
Kenya. Okay, we have
Yes.
taken notes. So someone will be contacting you and can connect you those who have graduated from Kenya.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Nazmul take notes that he wanted to connect. Yes, Sulaiman, please unmute and talk. Muhammad Sulaiman, please unmute and talk.
Can you hear me, sir? Hello.
Yes, yes, now hearing.
Yes. Thank you, sir, for your nice presentation. I am from Bangladesh. Now, I would like to draw your kind of attention to revise the name of the financial statements like balance sheet. We may change it as per IFRS statement of financial position, uh, like income statement, statement of money, statement of income and profit and loss or other comprehensive income. Just this name should be replaced by
Okay.
updated
Thank you very
name.
much. Thank you. Well noted. Well noted. We can communicate with the certification bodies as well, so that once it is updated, we
Yes.
can, update ourselves as well. Thank you very much for your
Okay.
wonderful
Thank you.
input.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nelson,
Hello.
yes, please. Nelson, please ask your question. Sorry, cannot hear you. I think there is a network issues for yourself. Any other questions from anyone else? All right. If there is no other questions, no problem. And still, if you have any questions, we will share this presentation and the recordings as well
Rupak,
for our today's orientation session.
can you hear me, Rupak?
Yes, we can hear you.
Nelson here. Good afternoon.
Okay.
Thanks for the
Good afternoon.
presentation. Yeah. Rupak, what stands out for me from what you've presented in the question and answer session now is that the prerequisite for admission for entry into this course is, you say, 2 years experience in finance and masters related or masters finance related studies. My case,
Masters is not, I mean, it is an preferable, but at least any kinds of finance and accounting education you need to have. Even if it is a diploma, it's okay.
so I do not have any of those. I don't have anything
I think it,
specialized.
then you won't be able to part of this program.
Okay, I will not be able to join. I will not be
No.
accepted.
Yes,
Do
because
you need one to send you their resume to prove their qualifications as
yes,
part of the
we
application?
we we need the resumes, as well as we also need the, I mean, qualifications certificate. Suppose if someone says that I have diploma, we are asking for the diploma certificate. Someone says bachelor, we are asking for that as well. So to prove the experience, we are, I mean, taking this resumes, and prove the qualifications, we need the qualification certificate as well.
So it's strictly for finance professionals because I'm
Yes,
in the
yes.
engineering space.
No,
All
I
right.
mean,
No.
I'm afraid that it won't be applicable for you. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, I understand. Thank you so much,
Thank
Rupak.
you. Thank you very much. Thank you for the clarifications you asked. So, any other questions from anyone? Aaron Sampa, are you?
Hi, Rupak.
Yes, please.
I wanted
Sampa.
to find out this course, does it have a credit transfer system?
No. There is no credit transfer system for this.
Oh, all right, thank you.
Thank you very much. Anyone having any other question or any doubt to be clarified?
Uh,
Yes, please.
okay, again, regarding the course, yeah, I know that the other gentleman just asked you whether it has a credit transfer system, but
Your
other than
sound is
that,
not clear. Your sound is not clear. Can you please write the questions in the chat box? I can follow it.
okay.
Thank you. Anyone in between want to ask anything? And we have also shared the updated flyer in your chat box. If you feel that the course is worthy for the professional, you can share through your timeline so anyone can be part of this program. That will be helpful for us. What is the equivalent of this course compared to the academia? No, there is no equivalency issues here, because this is a professional credential. Even if it is not a course, it's a credential. Credential means you can use this as a professional designation. So there is no I mean equivalency with the academic programs. Thank you for this question. Any other? Even after this program, if you have any doubt, you can communicate with our representative of World Academy. They will try to clarify it. If they cannot, so expert will attending your queries as well. No worries about it. And of course, you will receive the presentation and the class and the today's recording of this orientation program as well. So you can clarify by yourself. Still, if you have any doubt, you can contact with us through the representative you have been in contact already. So with that note, we can conclude here today. Thank you once again for joining and for your active participation. And of course, as I told earlier, it will be a very great pleasure for us if we can share through your timeline that you are attending, or this program can be very beneficial for the professionals. If you feel so, of course, if you feel that, then you can share through the timeline so that other people from your network can also be aware to about this program and they can also part of this program. With that note, I can conclude it here today. Thank you once again. Thank you for joining us. Take care and good
Thank,
night from.
thank you,
Yeah.
Thank
Rupak.
you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Rupak.
you.
Bye.